How to fix Meitu app not working issues. First of all, open your device settings and scroll down to the Apps or Application Manager section. From the list of installed apps, locate and tap on the Meitu app. Once the app page opens, start by clearing the cache to remove temporary files that may be causing issues. If the app still doesn't work properly, try restarting your device to refresh the system. You can also check for updates in the Play Store and install the latest version of Meitu to fix bugs and improve performance. If problem persists, uninstalling and reinstalling the app can often solve persistent errors. Make sure your device has a stable internet connection while using the app, as slow or unstable networks may cause loading or crash issues. Now you know how to fix Meitu app not working issues. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more editing tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.